If you want to be able to pit some cherries but you don't have a cherry pitter, you can do it really easily using a chopstick. So one of the things you want to do is pull the stem out first, and you'll see there's a little divot in there where the stem was that tells you where the pit is right underneath that. Take your chopstick and you're just going to push it right in there and poke it out the bottom. So it's pretty easy. The only thing that you might want to be aware of is that if you're not careful, it can get a little juicy and it might look like there's a little bit of a massacre going on. If that is the case, one of the things I saw that you can do is use a wine bottle to put the cherry on top of the wine bottle and then push down into the wine bottle, and it contains the pit and the juice and everything. For me, you know, I don't care. I'll just clean this up afterwards, and, you know, if it looks like there's a little bloodshed, you know, I'll just leave it there until my husband comes home and he can wonder what happened. All right, as I'm finishing up here, you could use these for cherry pie, which I probably will never do, but I'm going to use these for my chocolate cherry overnight oats. So I'm going to stick these in the freezer, and they'll be there all ready when I want them, and I'll be good to go. A little bit of a mess, but not too bad. Enjoy!